Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use rigid body in Godot game engine, RigidBody3d I mean. So yeah, let's get started. So this will be related to Godot 3d. So first I'll just create so here you can see, you can just click on this plus button and you can just search for RigidBody3d. Okay, then I'll just name it as player. You can name it whatever you feel like. Command S to save. Then inside player we can take two things. One is mesh instance 3d. So here I can just take a mesh of suppose cylinder mesh, and this particular mesh instance also require a collision shape. So I'll just add a collision shape 3d, and I'll take the same shape which is cylinder shape, so it will automatically add this. I'll just do command S to save. I'll attach one script to this as well for some movement. Now related to movement, basically we apply a central force or a torque to a 3d rigid body 3d, sorry. Then here you can I will just do if input dot is action pressed. Okay, and here I'll just do UI underscore okay up, and here I can just do apply underscore central force, and here you can use something called basis dot y. You can also use vector 3 dot up, but I think basis dot y is much better thing. But yeah, if you want you can use vector 3 dot up instead of basis dot y as well to see the result. And here I'll just apply the forces 1000. Now in similar way I'll just copy paste this, not creating it from start, input, and over here as well input dot is action pressed, and here instead of UI up I'll just name it as UI underscore left, and here I'll just do UI underscore right. Alright, then here I'll just instead of apply central force I'll just do apply underscore torque as well. I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. Then here instead of this I can just remove this, and here I'll just do vector 3. Okay, and here I'll just do 0 comma 0 comma 100 multiplied by delta. Alright, now same thing I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here, and here I'll just do minus 100 multiplied by delta. I'll just do command S to save it. Then I can just take another scene, 3d scene, and here I'll just create one 3d scene. Go to 3d object, and here first you can just take a CGX box 3d, so CSG box 3d, and you can just expand it. So I can just do S and Z. Okay, it doesn't work like that. Sorry, I was in that blender mode, I guess. Does this work? No, this is the move tool, right? Since this one is the scale tool. Yeah, I can move it like this. Okay, I can move it like this as well. Move it like this, I can move it like this. Alright, command S to save. Yeah, node 3d is fine. Then I'll just add one camera as well over here, and here you can just click on this to move your camera. You can click on the preview as well. Here you can see we are not able to see our floor, so I can just take this. You can see it on this side as well, on the right hand side. So you can just move it like this. Okay, and I'll just click on the rotate tool as well to rotate it like this. Then I'll click on the move tool again and I'll move it up. I'll move it back a little bit. Alright, and here I'll just move it a little bit up. I'll just click on this rotate tool. Yeah, something like this looks fine to me. If you want to see, you can go to the preview tool as well. I'll just disable preview, and then I think we can just add our player over here. So again I can just move my player a little bit up. Let's go to our camera, let's see preview. Okay, I'm able to see my player. Now I can just run this. Okay, so it is we are not able to see it properly, right? So what we can do is we can just come over here, click on add sun to scene, and then also click on add environment to scene. And I think our player is falling. Maybe I can just add it over here. Okay, let's make, can I make this as a root node? I'm not sure. Okay, I'll just change the type, CSGBox3d. okay, and I'll delete this one. Now I can just select this one. I'll just select the scale tool. Okay, why is this happening? Okay, I think I messed it up. Sorry about this. Let's revert it back. Okay, and I'll just play this. Let's see. So here you can see it is working. So it is going down as well, but hopefully you got the point. I'll just play it again. Here you can see, and I think what we can do is, I'm not sure if this will work, maybe we can go to gravity is 0, I guess. Yeah, here you can see. Okay, now it is jumping way too high. Right, I'll just make it as 1. There is another thing as well called access log. Maybe we'll just log this one. Let's try this. Okay, here you can see, but it is, yeah, it's difficult to handle, but I want to keep things simple. So yeah, that's it.